Hi everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we're going to be talking about how to gain muscle. But before I get into the video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and little bell so you don't miss another one of my videos. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, so I'm going to break down how to gain muscle into 4 easy steps for you guys. So step number 1, be in a calorie surplus. Step number 2, accept that you're going to put on a little bit of fat along the way. Step number 3, progressively increase your weights and your resistance while you're working out. And step number 4, eat enough protein and carbs. A lot of people don't realize this, but gaining muscle can be just as hard, if not harder sometimes, than losing weight. I know my own brother has been trying to gain weight literally his entire life. He's always been so skinny. My sister's so skinny. I was always so skinny. We were always like the 3 little string beans. It was so tough for us to gain weight. If losing weight requires a calorie deficit, then you can probably guess that gaining weight requires a calorie surplus. But you have to remember that you can't just have a bunch of calories. Really, what it comes down to is the amount of meals that you eat throughout the day, and what you're eating makes a world of a difference. So step number 1 is be in a calorie surplus. So if you're not in a calorie surplus, your muscles can't grow. So you want to be in a range of about 10 to 15% of a calorie surplus. This allows enough calories to be sustainable, but not too many calories where all you're doing is gaining a ton of unwanted fat, which brings me to my next point. So step number 2, accept that you're going to put on a little fat. I'm letting you know right now you are going to put on some fat. It's just going to happen. You can't avoid it. Your body is naturally going to store these extra calories in order to fuel your body and for your muscles to grow, but you have to accept that that's not the only place your body is going to store these extra calories. It's all part of the process. If you can accept that you're going to be gaining muscle while you're gaining fat as well, then you're off to a good start. Step 3, you're going to want to progressively increase the weights that you're lifting and the resistance while you're working out. Your muscles aren't going to all of a sudden be like, oh, I want to grow now, time to grow. No. But if you're consistently working out and you're progressively increasing your weights and your resistance, then your body is going to have no other choice but to get stronger in order to be able to move those weights and do those exercises that you're really pushing your body to do. So weight training and incorporating resistance is a necessity when it comes to gaining weight. So this can be from cables, from bands, anything like that. You just going out and running and doing cardio is not going to make you gain weight. Step number 4, eat enough protein and carbs. I'm going to link on this screen or down in my description box below. If you haven't seen it already, check out my Do You Need Protein Powder video and let me know what you guys think. So despite what you hear on social media, online, on Instagram from these fit babes or these people that don't really know what they're talking about, you need carbs, period. Whether you work out or not, you need carbs every single day of your life in order for your body to function properly throughout the day. But that's a topic for another video. For the specifics of this video though, carbs fuel your entire workout. So whatever you eat before your workout, your pre-workout snack or meal, and your post-workout snack or meal are so important. Carbs are just as important to consume after your workout as they are beforehand. After a workout, you'll notice that your muscles are tired, depleted, and weak. What carbs actually do is refuel your muscles with glycogen after a workout. Yes, high protein is important, but what I really want to stress to you guys is just to get rid of that mentality of just high protein, and just cut out all my carbs. That mentality is going to get you nowhere. I have a nutritional science background and I'm telling you right now, you need carbs. Okay, end rant. Before I end this video, I want to leave you guys with some tips. Tip number 1, be patient. Healthy progress is going to take some time. Don't get discouraged. Genetics do play a major role here. Some of you guys gain weight and gain muscle mass super easily, while for others it's really a struggle. Some of you out there might naturally already have an athletic or more stocky build, while others out there, like my brother, are just more naturally skinny. They're just born that way. Regardless of your background, your genetics, your build, the process is still the same for everybody in order to gain weight and muscle in a healthy way. That's all I have for this video, you guys. I hope you liked it and I hope you learned something new. Make sure to give me your feedback in the comments below and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another one of my videos. If you want to get my exclusive nutrition tips, my healthy food recommendations, and some delicious recipes, make sure to head over to the link below in my description box and join the fam. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.